Student, today I am going to explain our next topic. Our next topic is political, legal, religious, educational and economic. Today we will explain only political and legal system of social control. Let's start. Political system. This is a system of interactions. That means political system is a system of interaction in any society through which binding or authoritative allocations are made and implemented. That means political system is a interaction in any society through which political system binding or implementing authoritative allocations. Understand? These citizens in a nation organize political system. This is true. The citizens in a nation organize the political system. Understand that we all always put the political system. We always elect the political system to choose our politicians. Understand? The people who involved with the politics are called as politicians. Understand? The political system differs from one country to another. The political system is different from one country to another. Political system controls the individuals who are actively participating in that. Each political party has to own principles and policies. The members of a particular political party should follow the policy and guides of their own party. This is all about the political system of a nation. Understand? And political system also controls some evil actions of society. Legal system includes law. Legal system always includes in law, legislations, rules and regulation and judicial system. Legal system is a very powerful and good means of social control. Understand? Legal system is a very powerful to control evil action of society. All individuals in a nation should abide the rules and regulations of that particular nation. Understand? This is very easy to understand. If anybody violates the legal system, he or she will be punished by the legal system. In India, there are so many legal systems to control the behaviors of the public. Understand? In India, there are so many legal systems to control the evil behaviors of the public. But still, there are a lot of provisions to overcome the punishments and penalties. Legal system is not only controlling the individual's behavior, it also providing opportunity to safeguard the fundamental rights in society. Understand? This is all about legal system to control the society's evil action. Law comes from a variety of sources. Understanding the sources of law and the various type of law helps determine their impact on nursing practice. Understand? Nurses must understand the following. Nurses must understanding the some legislative and legal system. Understand? These are sources of law. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land. Understand? It defines the structure, power and limits of the government and guarantees people certain fundamental rights as individuals. Understand? Influence of the legislative, judicial and executive branches of government are reflected in statutory law, common law and administration. That means in our country there are three types of branches of laws. They are legislative, judicial and executive. Now, statutory law. Statutory laws means written law. Understand? Written law enacted by legislative body. Understand? Statutory laws are enacted by the legislative branch of government. They are designed to declare command or prohibit something. This is the written law of Indian legal system. Tort law. Tort law means it is common law, civil law, understand? Vast majority of legal system that are derived from them. That means tort law means common law or civil law. This law is divided into two categories: unintentional and intentional negligence and malpractice. Unintentional faults means unintentional means not done on purpose, understand? Some crimes are done automatically, understand? They are not done on some purpose, understand? So it is called unintentional faults. Unintentional faults means negligence, understand, is defined as the failure of an individual to perform an act, omission or commission that is reasonable, understand? The prudent person would or would not perform in similar set of circumstances, understand? Malpractice, it is a professional neglect or negligence, understand? Malpractice means illegal or negligent behavior, understand? It is evolves from negligence law and the premises that all individuals are responsible for the consequences of their actions or inactions, understand? This is the all type of legal system of India to control some evil action.